Alright YouTube, what's up? Fuel Up 727 back at you with another video. So this video is pretty much going to be on how to do a burnout. As you can tell, we're going to be doing a burnout in the Camaro. Now mind you, it doesn't have a posse, but for you people out there who love doing burnouts, love to show off, this is the video for you. So a couple things you need to know before we go out and do this. If you have a one tire fire, that means you don't have a posi, you have an open differential. Therefore meaning only one tire is going to spin. Left or right side, depends on car manufacturer, I would presume. I'm not too sure. If you have a posi, both tires will light up, which will turn and create smoke. So two main things right there that you need to know before you do this. Now if you have an open differential, put water under both of your tires and then light it, like sneak some water, like, you know, just chug it right behind your wheels. And then start your burnout so you can hurry and show your friends, you know, how cool your car is. So we're not going to do that with this because I already know how cool my car is and there's no one to show off in front of. So, in the truck though, everybody needs to know how cool that truck is. Burnouts all the time. I need new tires. So, we're going to go find a spot. I'm going to go through the steps. Hopefully you can hear me over the car and it's mad exhaust. So let's get this going. Alright, now that we're at a stop, no one's behind us, what you want to do is you want to be at a stop, you press on the gas, as you're holding onto the brake. Then after you do that, you ease up on the brake as you press on more gas, so then you're like not holding the tire still, but you're allowing it to slip. So that's why you want to add the gas, and that's why you want to let off the brake. So I'll show you. So that's an idea of what you want to do. So I had to hurry and let go. There was a car behind me, but let's see if we can't do that again and show you some real smoke. So yeah, it's not too hard to do. You just gotta, you know, practice, so then you can show off to all your buddies, you know, either people with Mustangs, you know, wanting to show off to, you know, a Corvette, you know, wanting to seem all big and bad when they're really not. So we'll do it at this next stop up ahead. Foot on brake, gas. Alright, I smell the rubber. But alright, so we did a burnout, we had smoke. So all you gotta do is hold on to the brake, floor the gas pretty much, as you saw from the second attempt. And then as you start spinning, let off the brake pedal just a little bit. So then you're not like holding in place, your tires aren't locked up. And just keep flooring the gas. Once you hear your tire squeal, and look back, you see smoke, you know you've done it right. So I am going to try and get a video of a burnout, either from a mirror or something, and then we'll end the video. Alright, so that's it for this video. How to do a burnout. So remember what I said. If you want a one tire fire, you have an open. If you have two tires that are going off at the same time, that's a posi. Now remember, when you're trying to look cool in front of your friends and you do the burnout, remember, if you want to seem cool and you want your one tire fire to be even better, just shove some water on the other side that doesn't turn, and you should be good. It would look like a posi. So that's pretty much it for this video. Follow me on Instagram. It's at fuelup727. Remember to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.